I'm going to do some volunteering to a rescue animal shelter. So it's really awesome. I'm doing this with my co-workers, and it was totally unplanned. It was last minute, and we had the opportunity yesterday. So I'm doing it right now. So I'm super excited. I really wanted to do that. It's amazing. Hello.
C'est-tu Irène?
Non.
Hein? Bon, Irène, ça ne viendra pas. Bon, on va appeler de ce côté-ci.
Oh, oui, sure.
Une consigne que je vais vous donner tout de suite, c'est que avant d'ouvrir une...
Bonjour. Oh, bonjour.
Besoin. Dans la sécheuse, il y a du linge à plier, fait que vous mettrez des petites couvertures.
Oh, you're so cute. Hello, my friends. No. I'm sorry. Hello. Bonjour. Oh. Hello. Oh my god. Bonjour. Hi. C'est cute.
Ils sont cute ces deux-là, ils ont comme une moitié de face rousse puis une moitié de face noire.
Oh, hello.
Ces deux-là.
Wow, your eyes.
Mais là, ils sont pareils. Ben, c'est ça.
You have beautiful eyes.
Certains, oui. Je sais pas, maintenant, je sais comment ça sent.
So I just did the work. I just finished, and there's a storm that will start very soon. It's very dark. I just stopped in a restaurant to take shelter, and I'm ordering a pizza because why not? I did a good thing today, so why not celebrate with a good hot pizza? So I'm doing this, treating myself. Okay. Well, it's almost like me and the pizza. We took a shower together. My God, the box is really this kind of destroyed. I hope the pizza is okay. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my God. What a cool day though. What a cool day. And yeah, it's Friday. Yes. I'm so happy. So I'm gonna eat. It's rare that I buy myself pizza. I usually tend to make more healthy pizza, like a pita pizza. Honestly, very good. I'm not disappointed. But yeah, from time to time, I think it's nice to treat yourself with the real thing. It's like you eat one piece and you're bloated for life, but it's fine because it's pizza. Pizza is my best friend. Mmm. 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 I'm so hungry and sleepy. Life is good. It was good, but if I'm being honest, I prefer my homemade pizza. Really. I think it's way much better. So I'm gonna show you how I do mine. It's super simple, honestly. You do whatever you want to do. So we are in the future, obviously, because I wouldn't eat twice in a row a pizza. But I was like, hey, I'm gonna use that time to show you how I do my delicious pita pizza, which is way much more healthier than what I just hate and what you saw. Very simple. As I mentioned, you need pitas and everything you want to add to it. So for me, I would love to have some olives, so I'm gonna cut it in slice. Mushrooms, of course, you need the pizza sauce. Cheese, for me it's the light mozzarella shredded. 2 of those, forgot the word. So easy, I know it's easy. Please don't help me. And I forgot. I don't know. Sorry. So super easy. I'm gonna show you how I make it. Oh, forgot the proteins. For me, it's gonna be chicken. This kind. It's the natural selections, and it's made from all natural ingredients, and it's nitrate free. So I'm sorry for my vegan friends. I know my best friend is maybe watching this. I'm so sorry. So sorry. She's vegan. But you know what, bestie? You can add whatever proteins you want to add to it. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Let's go with 10. It's probably gonna be too much. It's crunchy, yeah. Can you hear the sound? Love it. So, is it good? I think it's good. 2, 4, 6, 8 is fine. Personally, I prefer it when the slices are very thin, you know? Always, by the way, put your fingers like that. Not like that, not like that, like that. Professionals told me if you put your fingers like that, you can grab a little bit better your vegetable, but also the knife won't cut your fingers. Alright, I love to tear that part. It's not very necessary, but we can eat it, you know. I'm gonna put that aside. Now I'm gonna cut my olives. I would say I usually put 3 olives on 1 pita. Okay, so bestie, please, or anyone that is vegan, please skip this part. I'm gonna cut the chicken. Usually I honestly take the whole package because we have 5 pizzas. I'm folding everything in 2. I cut it in 3, basically. Now I'm gonna cut it in a little square. I mean, this time it's not totally a square, but you know, it's teeny pieces. Et voila. So I just washed my hands and now I'm gonna open the pizza sauce. Whoops. Let's go, let's go. doesn't need to be super perfect, but I want to make sure that the pita is fully covered with sauce. That way it will prevent to dry the pita, because when it's in the oven it's so thin that it might burn if you're not careful. And I usually put it at 350. Putting first the protein like that. Oops, not going there. All right, so now I'm gonna take the cheese and create a natural barrier. And what I mean by that is just that when the cheese will melt, it will prevent the humidity from the vegetable to go on your pita, because pita is so thin, it's gonna be wet. Each one does have 1/4 of a cup, except for those split in two. And now I'm adding the mushroom. Good. So now I'm gonna add the bell pepper. All right, I'm adding my olives. All right. For the final touch, I would say I forgot. But I usually put a pinch of oregano with black pepper and garlic powder. So I'm gonna start with oregano, black pepper, and honestly, the garlic powder is so much tastier. It's ready. Look at this, look at this, look at this. So I'm gonna put that in the oven. Ooh, so hot, so hot. And now I'm gonna wait, I'm gonna wait about 10 minutes. 10 minutes should be fine. So I'm gonna wait, and I'm gonna serve myself a big glass of water because it's pretty hot today. I mean, we are the 22nd today, June 22nd. So it's officially a summer now. And yeah, it's hot. It's hot. And the world is on fire too. It's not going well. It's pretty sad. Since 2020, I feel like everything is very I don't even find the words. It's just pretty sad, and honestly I feel extremely lucky to be in Montreal, where I live. It's in Canada. I cannot believe that I'm as a woman also born in a place where so far we don't really know what war is, and I'm happy about it. I'm so sad for the people living that. It's terrible, and we are very lucky. Well, I feel very lucky, and I thank life every day. This is a great place, Montreal. It's like, it's safe for women. There's probably a zone on the island that you shouldn't go, but you know, I can walk outside and I won't be bothered. And it's not true, sometimes I am by guys that are sometimes a little bit creepy, but it's not that bad, seriously. They are pretty respectful most of the time, and yeah, so I'm very thankful for that. It's very priceless. It's a lot of peace of mind, and I'm sending my love. I know it's not much, but I'm sending my support and good vibes to every person on this planet that is suffering in any kind. And my God, I can be thankful for my health. Also, I can go on. I'm a very thankful person. Oh, I forgot to put the time. So 6 minutes. Let's go with 6. Sometimes in life it's pretty hard, you know, and it's okay to feel low and to have a lot of down moments, But since I've been working on myself, on my mental health, I mean, I'm lucky. I don't have a lot of issues. I'm just a very anxious person lately in life, and it's due to a couple of things. There's a lot of stories that I'm gonna talk in another video, so stay tuned. But I had mostly a hermit lifestyle. Hermit, it's a very strong word, but it's just that I kind of cut in the social events in the past year and a half, and I really needed to recharge myself. I had a lot of lows and low moments, but you know what? I took care of myself, and I'm journaling and I'm doing a lot of gratitude. And what I'm trying to say is that having those habits really like helped me to go back to normal very quickly, and to self-regulate myself. And it's okay to find help. I think we should all ask for help. But I think for me, I think it's very interesting to try to learn how to work with yourself. I don't want to say that, but basically you're the most important person in your life, and you know yourself best. Even though if you do go ask for help, I think that the professional will guide you to find your own answers. They will direct you, which is great, and maybe help you find some truth that was hidden to you. And anyway, for me, I really enjoy discovering myself and dig deep and find all the little shadows and the traumas that I had in my life, and to try to figure out how to become a better human, to find my own tools to get better. Because you never know, like in the end, you're the only, you can only count on yourself to take charge and change your life for the better. You're you are your own boss, you know, or you are like your own cheerleader. You are your own best friend, your own parent. You get it? You are everything to you. You are your own hero. I think it's very interesting. And for me, for example, I restarted this journey. Well, it was it was 2019. Really wondering what I want in life, how I want people to remember me. Not that it's super important. It's just that it is kind of. I try to treat others like I would love to be treated, and it's not always gonna be like that. Like the other person won't necessarily give you the same type of respect, but it's okay. It's just we cannot control everything, so that's another thing that I've learned in life. Oh my god, I spoke for 6 minutes now since I put the timer. Ooh, that was perfectly timed. All right. Oh, I need some gloves because the don't burn off. So it looks like that. It's ready. Thank you so much for listening to me. I don't know if it was entertaining. Maybe not. It's fine. It's just me, and maybe I was in your background, and it was just fun to watch. To listen background. It's fine too, right? And I wish you a wonderful day or night. I hope you're having a good moment. If not, if you're having a hard time, I'm sending you a lot of love. I hope you will be fine soon. And take care. have fun today, have fun or tomorrow, depending on when you're watching this, and have a nice day or night. So, oh, and if you want to support me, you can like, leave a comment, or follow me, or all of those things. If not, it's super fine. You do whatever you want to do. You're a free human, and maybe we'll see each other in the future. Maybe not, but it's fine. Thank you for watching and listening. Bye.